What's up, guys? FPV here, and today we have the giveaway for the April FPV crate. So right before I get to that, I just want to give a big thank you to FPVCRATE for sending me that extra box and being able to give one of those away. So we're going to go ahead and go right here to the computer and pick a winner. Alright, so we're here on the computer. I'm going to copy that link here and YouTube random comment picker. Let's go ahead and load the comment section up. Of course, they want to start mowing the lawn next door as soon as I go do this. But so 316 comments. Let's go ahead and randomly pick a winner. Wow! I won my own motors. That was really random. But no, that doesn't count. So let's go ahead and pick the next person. Wrong Way FPV. Hell yeah, man. Fingers crossed. Thanks, man. Looks like you are the winner of the April FPV crate box. So to everybody else, look forward to future videos, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.